Happy FedGeoDay, everyone. My name is Ghermay Araya. A lot of you know me as G. Really happy to be here today as we get FedGeoDay going. Um, Welcome to FedGeoDay 2025. My lightning talk is going to be super fast. It's going to be on address data and the thinking around the hidden spatial data infrastructure that I consider it to be uh, behind many use cases like emergency response, service delivery, and a lot of economic operations. With that, I'm just going to go right into the key takeaways I wanted to highlight in this lightning talk. Thinking of address data and address management solutions as core to our everyday use cases from OSM, USPS, Census Bureau, and others. But also very important to remember that a lot of these addresses are coming from local jurisdiction data platforms around addresses, like master address repositories uh, that are deployed around the country. Um, Something to consider that there's not one unified address management um, process, system, or so on. And so that's got cascading effects that we can talk and think about. I think if we can think about what's happening now, it's a federated approach to official addresses being generated at the local level and then aggregated up to state and other use cases around national use cases. Authoritative local data plus seamless cross jurisdiction connection with the data will provide powerful outcomes. And we can talk about how that enables legal recognition and access to services, accurate emergency response, better disaster planning, fair property management, and tax management. Smarter business decisions essentially are enabled by having accurate addresses that are unified and uniform across a national level. Poor address data has a direct, costly consequence, including deaths. Imagine if a 911 call and the responding ambulance or fire truck or police response is off by a block or even blocks away, and getting minutes, seconds are important in those cases, and those can be measured in the number of deaths because of address data platforms or delays in services or inefficiencies and or costs in overtaxing or undertaxing a property. So modern address management is a critical infrastructure, and that infrastructure being in an open um, and open sourced as well as open access is something that's not an option anymore. So that's kind of the takeaway I wanted to highlight here today. Running through my slides, I think we're all aware, and to some extent, and many of us are very versed in address management. So I'm not going to belabor this slide much. And of course, having highly accurate addressing has direct connection to quality navigation, property identification, communications, variety of communications, record keeping efficiencies, and of course service delivery, whether it's coming from government or service delivery from industry and to industry or to individuals. Uh, Address management has a core role as a component of spatial data infrastructure. It exists across multiple jurisdiction levels, but I think the local level having a more robust support and addressing will give us better results as we scale up to the regional, national, and global scales. Adhering to FGDC address standards for integrity and interoperability will be something that we all should aspire to, and contributing to the USDOT's national address database. With that, wanted to kind of wrap it up here and just highlight in this lightning talk that addresses are important and address management systems are even more important as we go into the evolution of geospatial technology and capabilities, and training AI and a variety of other improvements in technology that we're doing, and having those available and accessible in an open source fashion will provide even more technological breakthroughs for improved services and reducing deaths and so on and so forth. So thank you for having me. Have a great FedGeoDay. Bye-bye.